Meaning of dosage.
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 Dosage. Dosage refers to the amount of a substance, such as a medication or supplement, that is recommended for a particular person or animal. It is often specified in terms of weight or age to ensure the person or animal receives the appropriate amount of the substance. Dosage can vary depending on the purpose of the substance, the form it's administered in, and potential factors such as health status or other medications being taken. Taking the correct dosage can help ensure maximum effectiveness of the substance while minimizing potential side effects or adverse reactions.